A perfect day in Paris. Morning. Start at Notre-Dame Cathedral. Built in 1163, this Gothic marvel features soaring towers, flying buttresses, and its famous rose window. Step inside to admire the vaulted nave and centuries of history. Notre-Dame is open daily from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Spend about 30 to 45 minutes soaking it in. From Notre-Dame, walk 15 minutes along the Seine, a UNESCO World Heritage riverbank. On the way, you'll pass the legendary Shakespeare & Company bookstore and street-side bouquinistas selling vintage books and prints. Arrive at the Louvre Museum, once home to French royalty. See the Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the glass pyramid that's become a symbol of Paris. The Louvre is open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and is closed Tuesday. Visit the highlights in 90 minutes to 2 hours. No need to conquer it all. You'll exit the Louvre through the Tuileries Gardens, created in the 1500s for Queen Catherine de' Medici. Stroll among fountains, statues, and shady tree-lined paths. Allow 20 to 30 minutes for the garden and photos. Afternoon. Cross the Place de la Concorde, where the Luxor obelisk, a 3,000-year-old Egyptian monument, marks the site of the French Revolution's guillotine. Then stroll the Champs-Élysées, lined with designer boutiques, cafés, and historic theaters. Give yourself 45 minutes to an hour for a relaxed walk or a quick bite. At the end stands the Arc de Triomphe, commissioned by Napoleon. Climb to the top for a 360-degree view down 12 radiating avenues. The Arc de Triomphe is open 10 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. You want to spend about 30 minutes. The view is worth it. Now skip the metro and walk to the Eiffel Tower. Head down Avenue de l'Ena to Tuileries Gardens, the ultimate viewpoint for the Eiffel Tower. This is where postcards come to life with fountains, wide open skies, and unbeatable angles. You want to add about 10 to 15 minutes to enjoy the scene and snap your best shots. Evening. Cross Pont de l'Ena to reach the base of the Eiffel Tower, built in 1889 for the World's Fair and still Paris's most iconic landmark. The Eiffel Tower is open 9:30 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. Spend about an hour to two, whether you go up or picnic in the park below. And don't miss the sparkle show. The tower lights up for 5 minutes every hour after sunset. That's one perfect day in Paris. 5 legendary sites, one unforgettable adventure. Subscribe for more Paris itineraries and travel tips. And as always, step by step, we explore together.